Hi everyone, Mike here with the O'Donnell Roofing Company, and today we're discussing one of the most common questions that our project consultants get. How do I know it's time to replace my roof? Well, one of the easiest ways to figure that out is the age, right? If you know that your roof is in that 20 to 30 year age range, it's definitely time to talk to a consultant and see the condition of the roof and figure out if it's time to replace that roof. Most asphalt shingle roofs in our area are going to last you in and around that 20 to 30 year mark. If you have an old 3-tab shingle, you're typically living in that 20 to 25 year range. If it's in the architectural style shingle, you're in and around that 30-year range. A lot of different factors that can come into play though. Um, Ventilation, workmanship, weather, all impact the lifespan. So if you're in that back third of your roof, 20 to 30 years, definitely talk to a consultant, have them assess the roof and let you know if it's time for that replacement. Now, if you don't know the age of your roof, there's a couple of red flags to look out for. First one would be buckling or nail pops. If you see sagging in the roof deck or any kind of shingles that are lifting up, those could be nail pops or buckling decking, plywood decking. If that's the case, that very often can lead to leaks. It's time to have a consultant come out, address the roof, assess everything, and let you know if it's time for a replacement. One of the most common and easiest ones to notice is missing shingles, especially with all the storms that we've had recently. Shingles blow off the roof, have a consultant come out, assess the damages, let you know if it's repairable or if it's time for a replacement. Oftentimes, this is something where we could get the insurance company possibly involved, and that might help with the cost of that replacement roof. Last is water damage or leaks in the ceiling. You look up at the ceiling, you notice that staining on the ceiling. Time to have a roofer come out, take a pop into that attic, see if they can figure anything out from there, get up on that roof, assess any kind of damages, be flashing, shingle related, flat roof related, find out what's going on and let you know where everything stands and if it's time to replace the roof. Now, sometimes people are just doing repairs and repairs and repairs, right? Oftentimes it's past the point of repair and need to be replaced. We get into these roofs that have been repaired multiple times, and when we tear everything off, you find stuff like damaged wood. The cost of waiting sometimes when you could have replaced it earlier and instead repaired it is the damaged wood. That could jump the price of a roof replacement exponentially. So get in touch with O'Donnell Roofing Company, give us a call, we'll have a project consultant come out, assess any kind of damages you have on that roof, and put together a proposal for you. Thank you.